Hey guys, today we're working on the custom again, not Mr. Roper yet. I'm going to show you a little update that I have figured out for the clutch brake safety switch, since they don't make those things anymore. So here we go. Alright guys, my clutch safety switch, it's mounted under the dash here. I'll show you in just a second. It looks to be okay, but it is not always registering being depressed because it's sad. But anyway, this is not working very well. It only works like 1 out of maybe 10 times I press on the clutch. So I found this online. Looks pretty close. The only thing I got to do is make the hole just a little bit larger, up to a 3/4 inch hole. Not sure what it is now currently, but basically I want to take this, mount it in its spot. I'll take this plug off. I already taken one pin out and I'm taped off the excess, and it'll basically plug into the wire that's under the dash. So let me show you where this is. If I can open this hood one-handed, since it's a double latch. Oh, there we go. This is located right there. That's the hole. I'm gonna have to make just a hair bigger. If I wanted to, I could just bypass it. Here's the 2 wires right there. I did have it bypassed for testing purposes with just a little simple bypass. But like I said, I'm gonna actually use this to mow. I'd like for it to be as safe as I can. So make that hole out a little bit bigger, put this in there, finish taking this plug off, and I'll just plug these into those, and I should be good. Let me drill that hole out and get this mounted. We'll plug this in and we'll go from there. All right, taking this plug off isn't too bad. Basically, you find the little pin inside that holds the plug on. Here it's on the top side. I don't know if you can see that. It's on the top side here. So if I run a little screwdriver, or if you've got one of those tools, down in there, pick up that tab, and the wire pulls straight out. And now I'll just do like I did with the one on the right and just tape around it to give it a little more rigidity and protection, and it'll be ready to plug into those plugs under the dash. Okay guys, I just finished connecting up the new little connector. I will put a link to that down in my description, and let's see if it works. If it doesn't, this won't start, and I'll probably just delete the video. So here we go. Let's plug the booster pack in. One of these days I gotta get a new battery for this thing. It's only 3 years old, but it's a never start. So I didn't realize how hard this is to do one-handed. All right, here we go. Let's go no, see, hand on the exhaust. Let's try no choke. Okay, let's try choke. All right, now let's go. Oh, you know what? Helps turn on the gas. All right, I bet we go no choke this time. Oh, lost the booster pack. Gotta hate these smart ones. There we go. Looks like it worked. And there you have it. Replacement for that clutch brake safety switch. on a 10XL Custom Sears. Catch you later.